is the administration has designed a poster on leaves of tobacco, how it is benefited from cancer, from food cancers, from only cancers, and larynx cancer. There are 10 benefits given to tobacco cancer in this stroke and heart disease. And if he wants to leave these advertisements, this can help. This will be posted all over the city in all medical establishments to educate them. And this is for your office, and this place I put it at our office studio. Dr. Kamal Purwal is an orthopedic surgeon and is joint secretary at our union.
सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है 10 लोग बैठ जाएं, 5 मिनट ले लें हम लोग।
5 मिनट
ये भी बंद कर दो भैया।
On World No Tobacco Day, we are thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Madam, to give us time to honor our commitment that we have to make the people aware about the hazards of tobacco, and at the same time, those who are addicted. So a poster has been designed by Delhi Medical Association in association with Heartcare Foundation and Max Healthcare. So this is to depict the hazards of tobacco and the benefits of quitting tobacco. We are thankful that Madam has released this poster. We have, Madam, around 12,000 members across the city, and it will be posted at all clinics so that people who wait in the OPD and other procedures, they are benefited by this, and then awareness will go. At the same time, we had a workshop yesterday. Dr. Sameer is a very renowned physician from Max Healthcare. Yesterday, we trained our doctors in educating the patients how they can leave tobacco. Now, there are very good drugs which can help the people in leaving tobacco. This message goes across, and your message and your joining this campaign will give a lot of boost to Delhi Medical Association in this whole campaign. I will request Dr. K.K. Grawal to please say 2 words.
Thank you, and first of all, thanks, Madam, for accepting to release the Delhi Medical Association poster. I have only 2 points to make. One is that each practitioner and each family physician, each nursing home should open a de-addiction clinic as far as smoking is concerned. Smoking de-addiction clinic. Those who are heavily dependent can go to bigger center, but at the family physician level, those who want to quit, who want to get motivated, these are the people. These clinics can help in assisting people and motivating people to quit smoking. Unfortunately, today most of us don't have those types of clinics. Even in government hospitals, only 1 or 2 centers have de-addiction clinics where people can get help in quitting smoking. That's one. And just for the information of Madam, I want to raise one more point out of the No Tobacco Day. Madam, पिछले संडे को आमिर खान के प्रोग्राम में की आई थी कि डॉक्टर्स लोग जेनरिक दवाइयाँ इसलिए नहीं लिखते क्योंकि उनको कमीशन मिलता है आमिर खान। और हमारा सिर्फ ये कहना है कि आज हम सब लोग अगर जेनरिक दवाइयाँ लिखते हैं तो मिलती नहीं है। किसी केमिस्ट के यहाँ पे जेनरिक दवाई नहीं है। देयर इज नो सिस्टम ऑफ जेनरिक मेडिसिन। और जिस तरीके से मेडिकल प्रोफेशन की इमेज खराब करी गई उस संडे के प्रोग्राम में कि लोग जेनरिक दवाइयाँ नहीं लिखते। इवन इन योर गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल जेनरिक मेडिसिन आर नॉट अवेलेबल। इवन इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर generic medicine are not available. So I personally feel that being the chief minister and the head of the state, doctors have felt that there is something कि उनकी इमेज को खराब किया गया है, प्रोफेशन की इमेज को, कि आप लोग जो हैं इसलिए नहीं महंगी दवाइयाँ लिखते हो कि आपको कमीशन मिलता है, जबकि महंगी दवाइयाँ सरकार ही अलाउ करती है। MRP is decided by government, not by the doctors. और आप जो दवाई लिखते हो वो वही दवाई लिखते हो जो सरकार ने दी है और जिस पैसे के अंदर में मिली है। ये तो मेरे पॉइंट्स want to raise as a DM.
Madam, our only request is that all government hospitals should open up tobacco cessation clinics so that people are benefited by this. And this Jan Aushadhi Kendra, where these generic medicines are there, there are 4 generic Aushadhi Kendra in the whole city, and we need more generic medicines drugs stores all over the city so that people are benefited by this. We definitely want to write generic medicine so that they are cheaper and it can be made available to the masses. So we request that this issue be taken up by the government, and Delhi is becoming the hub of international medical excellence, and we hope this under your leadership, medical excellence will be more and more in Delhi.
Thank you very much for being here, and I do apologize for the terrible weather. But I think we did the wrong thing. We should have had it in one of our office rooms. Anyway, thank you very much for starting this campaign. It has a lot of meaning when it comes from doctors and a lot more credibility than we would have. Otherwise, our appeals are there, but they're not as effective as yours would be. I have only one or two requests to make to you. That I don't know, I'm still trying to find a way of how we can stop the sale, particularly of tobacco, not just cigarettes, but tobacco and whatever it's called. What is happening is you find this being sold all over the city, you know, on little kiosks, छोटे-छोटे डब्बे लगा देते हैं उसको बेचते हैं. And what I find is बच्चों को उसमें बहुत बड़ी आदत पड़ रही है. जब बचपन में आप शुरू कर देंगे. दूसरा विकल्प जो कभी कभी ध्यान में आता है वो ये है कि अगर जो हमने बीड़ी सिगरेट और ये सब बंद कर दिया तो और भी ज़्यादा गंभीर ड्रग्स पे दे कौन. There is a kind of an addiction to drugs which are really not permissible, but you find that happening. So I think we need to take a holistic view of it all, and your association's guidance in this will help us enormously. Because हम कम से कम अगर यही बंद कर दें कि वेंडर्स सड़क पर बैठे आप फल बेचिए, जो भी मीठा आपको बेचना हो, but not this tobacco products which are happening in your town. So if an appeal could come or a request could come from all of your association कि भाई इसको आप इसी तरह से हटाइए, so we will go with little confidence that we have at the moment. Where de-addiction is concerned, there are centers, but we do need more. I agree with you there. We need many more centers than we already have, and I hope that this will. De-addiction is important, but for me, much more important is to teach the new generation not to take to this addiction, how harmful it is and exactly. Cancer, it gives you heart attack, it gives you bad teeth, it gives you, it's terrible. So please help us, guide us, and I really wish the whole city will take a pledge today, individually and collectively, to see that there is less consumption of tobacco. Consumption of tobacco, बढ़ी है या कमी है?
बढ़ी tobacco products like government shall ban this decision that our tobacco products, they are more harmful. Nicotine, tobacco contains nicotine. Nicotine is a drug. Nicotine patches are under a drug. अगर स्टेट चाहे कोई भी उसको भी बंद करना, और अगर हम tobacco products को ड्रग की कैटेगरी में डाल दें, then it can be only be available under the chemist, not on the roads. और chemist के यहाँ पे prescription पे जाते हैं, if you want de-addiction then only it will be prescribed. Normal आदमी नहीं ले सकता है. आप पीते हो, आप डॉक्टर किसी की बात नहीं
It is not the tobacco. There are 40 carcinogenic products in smoking other than tobacco. Tobacco de-addiction is possible, but then aldehyde, nitrosamines, and there are 40 carcinogenic products in a smoke which are causing problems. Tobacco de-addiction is possible as in with the nicotine patch and all. So we need to have more awareness that is possible. So that it is not tobacco which is killing. Killing are those carcinogens.
And this is in fact our main demand today. We should ban tobacco.
Thank you so much, and I really wish you well.
And request for everybody to come here for a group photograph.
डॉक्टर साहब पीछे आइए
सर
अग्रवाल जी थैंक यू थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू
Whenever secretary of just like Bhumi is the secretary of state, senior vice president of the Islamic today.
थैंक यू
Dr. O.P. Jain is the secretary of one of the largest non-district branches. Dr. Sahai is the past president of the state branch. And Dr. Atul Gupta is our regular finance secretary. Dr. Vikram is intensive Wilson Hospital. Dr. Anil Goyal is a member of the Delhi Medical Council. Dr. Sameer is in Max. She's also Max.
I will do something to take children. Thank you. No.
तो सर क्या नया कर रहे हो क्या नया कर सकते हो
what we are trying to do is taking the good concepts from there and adapting them to Indian circumstances. Our population is not that well off when it comes to healthcare. So we don't bring very high cost solutions from there, but we do bring effective solutions. And healthcare is a J-shaped curve.
I think you should do more in prevention, even though you're doctors, we prefer not to emphasize on prevention, otherwise आप लोग की दुकान खत्म हो जाएगी. Because I think prevention really is
And that's the most cost effective thing to do.
most cost effective, least painful.
Ji.
Yes, that's true.
We are treating health because then they listen more to their friends.
Yeah. That's true. Psychologically, they accept that. All the best and thank you for your effort.
Thank you so much.